Ever read a message and wished the sender didn't know you saw it? In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn off read receipts in WhatsApp so you can read messages without the pressure. Whether you're ignoring someone or just want some privacy, this tip is for you. First, let's quickly understand what read receipts are. When you send a message on WhatsApp, you usually see one gray tick which indicates the message has been sent, two gray ticks which indicates the message has been delivered to the receiver, and two blue ticks which indicates the message has been read by the receiver. Those blue ticks are read receipts, and sometimes they can lead to awkward situations, especially when you read a message but don't want to reply right away. Here's how to disable read receipts on WhatsApp for iPhone. Open WhatsApp on your device, then tap on the settings in the bottom right corner. On the next screen, go to Privacy, and here find and tap on the read receipts toggle. The read receipts feature will be turned off once you turn off the toggle for read receipts. Now when you read someone's message, it won't show those blue ticks on their end. But hold up, before you celebrate, here are a few things you need to know. If you turn off read receipts, you also won't be able to see when other people have read your messages. This setting does not affect group chats. Read receipts still show up there no matter what. And it also doesn't apply to voice messages. Blue ticks will still appear when someone listens to them. So it's not 100% invisible mode, but it's pretty close. So that's how you can disable read receipts on WhatsApp for iPhone and take back a bit of your privacy. If you found this video helpful, then be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions.